Connecting your Binance account to CoinStats allows you to track your cryptocurrency portfolio and monitor your trades in real time. Follow these steps to connect Binance to CoinStats. Open the CoinStats app. Launch the CoinStats app on your mobile device or visit the CoinStats website. Log into CoinStats. If you don't have a CoinStats account, sign up using your email or Google or Apple account. Log into your existing CoinStats account. Navigate to the settings section. In the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner or go to the settings menu on the web version. Connect your Binance account. In the settings menu, find and tap on the Add Wallet or Connect Exchange option. Choose Binance from the list of supported exchanges. Authenticate with Binance. You'll be prompted to log into your Binance account. After logging in, you will need to generate a Binance API key and API secret on the Binance platform. Copy and paste the API key and API secret into CoinStats. Grant permissions. Confirm and grant CoinStats the necessary permissions to access your Binance trading data.